The forest is one of the Earth's most valuable resources and is a great source of natural wealth. Forestry plays a combined ecological, social, and economic role in our lives. Thanks to this ideal combination of the forest's natural ability to regenerate, we are able to produce a high-quality chipboard. Longland was founded in 1979. We are one of Asia's largest chipboard furniture producers. Our capital base is made up of $30 million in land, factories, and highly technical processing equipment imported from Germany and Italy. Longland has great experience in designing and producing high-quality furniture and paneling. One great concern of people today is the Earth's natural environment, and Longland has designed furniture with this in mind. To support a natural environment and healthy home life, we have developed Sunday at Home. To produce our furniture, Sunday at Home uses the best materials of one of the world's largest chipboard manufacturers, Spanner's NatureSpan Zero. NatureSpan Zero is the only high-quality, water-resistant chipboard without formaldehyde. It was awarded the first prize for Eco Product in 1993 and 1994, and the name Blue Angel. Blue Angel is given as the highest honor by the German government for products which are low polluters. So we call it the Blue Angel board. All those working in the timber industry owe their jobs to the forest. It is no exaggeration to say that the end of the forest means the end of human life. People depend on the forest for a number of elements essential to their survival. Everywhere that forest logs are harvested, expert management is a must. Spano has adopted a code of conduct which is environmentally friendly and assures the continuation of the forest. Maintaining wood reserves is very important, and cutting should never exceed replanting. Spano is convinced of the importance of well-balanced reforestation. Seeds are taken from trees with an average age of 60 years. After cleaning and drying, they are planted mechanically. During their first year, the seedlings are protected from the weather. After 2 years, the small shoots are planted out in rows 25 centimeters apart, with a gap of 5 centimeters between each plant. They remain like this for another 2 years or so, when the young growths are permanently planted about 2 meters apart. For the following 5 years, the young forest will be watched over, the undergrowth cleared, and any weak plants removed. Thereafter, they will be inspected every 3 years. Using this system, trees take about 60 to 80 years to reach maturity. Natural regeneration of mixed hard and softwood forest are continually stimulated by an ecologically sound administration. Small areas of felling do not harm the woodland scenery, but provide for a stable silviculture. Spano cares continuously for the preservation and the purity of nature. The wood used to form the basic chips comes from European temperate forests, where reforestation policies are implemented and carried out for each individual species. Various transport systems are used to bring in the logs, keeping a constant mix of hard and soft wood. After they go through the chippers to be cut after sorting, they are then moved to storage silos by conveyor belts and tray lifts. Wet chips from different sources are stocked separately and are then put into a dryer to make sure the moisture is at a level best for making chipboard. The optimum mix of the glue and chips is essential in forming the board. The hardening test checks the setting time of the glue with the hardening agent. This in turn controls the mechanical properties of the board. Each batch of chips has glue, usually urea formaldehyde, and hardener, added in a controlled process. The glued mixture is conveyed to the forming station. Spano produces about 2,800 cubic meters per day with 5 presses. Spano is the only manufacturer in the world to produce exclusively on continuous presses, a development they pioneered. On leaving the press, the raw board is accurately cut to width and length. Again, this is all electronically controlled as the board is being cut. All the products are systematically tested for tensile strength, bending strength, weight, and so on, with an immediate printout of the results. At Spano, not only are there technical standards, but there are also standards for the emission of free formaldehyde. With the latest formaldehyde perforator test, free emissions from the chipboard are measured. This is a liquid-to-liquid extraction whereby free formaldehyde is dissolved in water and checked whether the quantity of the formaldehyde is within standard or not. In the past, people with physical sensitivities have had smarting eyes and irritated bronchial tubes. This was caused from a too high concentration of formaldehyde, a substance present in wood-based panels such as chipboard and many other natural processes, both industrial and domestic. To combat this, Spano began research in 1993 for the development of a new type of chipboard, NatureSpan Zero, environmentally friendly and anti-allergenic. This new chipboard product was immediately a success in European markets and is already used in many homes. NatureSpan Zero is highly moisture resistant with a strong core thanks to its high density strength and bending strength. It has excellent screw holding properties and is a good all-around versatile board. From the basic ideal of using the best materials to produce the best cabinet, Sunday at Home has started to make this come true. Our company is one of the first to use the best board in the world, Blue Angel board. Our European and Taiwan design group have worked for 1 year to make the dream come true. We also import the highly technical equipment to ensure that we keep the lead in high quality. From melamine, we use the short cycle press production line to make the chipboard smooth and bright. Then we use the computer numeric control panel saw machine to cut in various sizes. After cutting, it is sent to a double-sided continual short forming and edge bending production line to make the corners and edges smooth. We also use continual post-forming machines to fix and dress the corners of the chipboard. Lastly, we use a boring and dowel inserting machine to bore holes. As a result, the chipboards can be easily assembled to all kinds of furnitures. You can see all the different types of furniture in our comfortable and well-lit showrooms. This is where we display various layouts using the cabinets. Living room, to share the love of your family. Dining room, create a meal with better taste. Reading room, the window to the world. Bedroom, to give you a tender moment. Kids' room, fully functional. From all these displays, you can easily make your choice. Use our computer for many suggestions on design mixes. Each design mix has various colors to meet all your needs. You can design your house with our designers and choose the color mix that you like the most. After you have ordered your selection, our assembly engineers will deliver your purchase to your home and assemble it as soon as possible. From the forest's natural ability to regenerate, and for the happiness, enjoyment, and health of all your family, Sunday at Home brings the feeling of the natural environment into your home.